Hey everyone, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I'm going to show you how I decorated some cupcakes inspired by Christmas using two Russian piping tip designs. So here goes the first one. In a piping bag filled with blue buttercream frosting, I decorated the top of the cupcake to look like this. And then next, in another piping bag filled with green buttercream frosting, I used the other Russian piping tip to decorate the top of cupcakes. These cupcakes are so simple and easy to decorate and will definitely impress people at a holiday event. So which piping tip do you like in this video? The first one or the second one? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching and happy holidays.